Learn how to make edible Oreo cookie dough with this easy recipe. This edible Oreo cookie dough is safe to eat since it will be made with heat-treated flour. No Oreos are needed to make this, and you can eat it as is or add it to ice cream. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Heat treat the flour by adding the flour to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure the flour is evenly spread out so it doesn't burn. Place the tray in a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 5 minutes. The flour needs to reach 165 degrees to be safe to eat and kill the bad bacteria. To make the cream, add butter, confectioner's sugar, and vanilla extract to a bowl. Using a hand or stand mixer, mix together on a medium speed. Scrape down the bowl as necessary, making sure the remaining confectioner's sugar gets mixed in. Feel free to add more confectioner's sugar to get the consistency and taste you want. In another bowl, add butter, heat-treated flour, black cocoa powder, granulated sugar, salt, and milk. Feel free to use almond milk or another dairy-free milk in this recipe. Black cocoa powder is a highly processed form of cocoa powder and will help give this cookie dough that black Oreo color and flavor. I will have a link to the black cocoa powder I am using in the video description below. Mix these ingredients together on a medium speed with a hand or stand mixer until it is fully mixed in, breaking up any flour clumps. Once the dough is mixed, it will be really soft. Fold the cream into the cookie dough mixture, making sure it does not get fully blended in, so you will still have visible sections of cream in the mixture. Feel free to add more or less cream to this cookie dough recipe. Store this cookie dough in the refrigerator since it contains milk and should be consumed within 4 days. If you like edible cookie dough, check out an edible chocolate chip cookie dough recipe in the link above or in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.